Well, here's a nice question. The question says I've got 3 solutions, and then they said what volume in milliliters must evaporate from solution 1, so I don't have to worry anything about these. So they just want me to take solution 1. Let's write down concentration and volume. So concentration is 3.00 moles per liter, and the volume is 100 mils, so 0.100 liters. Then they say they want to increase the concentration to 4.88 moles per liter, and they want to know how much water has to be evaporated. Well, we first need to find out what the second volume is, and then I can determine how much gets evaporated from it. Okay, so I think this is a straight dilution question. So C1V1 equals C2V2. I'm looking for V2, so I'll divide both sides by C2. So volume 2 is C1V1 over C2. So the concentration 1, 3.00 moles per liter, times volume 1, 0.100 liters, divided by the second concentration is 4.88 moles per liter. Moles per liters cancel, you're left with liters. We're looking for a volume, so all's good. So now 3 times 0.1 is 0.3, and 0.3 divided by 4.88 is equal to, so it's 0.061475 liters. So that needs to be my new volume. If I move that over 3 places, that'll be milliliters. So it'd be 61.5, we'll call it, milliliters. So they say how much stuff needs to be evaporated. So to figure out how much to be evaporated, so it starts at 100 mils, and it has to end at 61.5, so just subtract those two. I think that comes to 28.5 milliliters. 28 or 38? No, 38 milliliters. If I subtract, I was trying to do it in my head. I think it's 38. So it'd be that much. Okay, hopefully that helps with that question.